It's upper body workout today. It's a bit intense, so get ready. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're doing tricep dips, we're doing the Superman lifts, and we are also doing the lateral raise. So the tricep dips, of course, work for your triceps, and then the Superman lifts work basically for your back, your lower back. And this is especially for my fellow men and women that always have back pain, right? So this is going to be amazing for you. And then we do the lateral raise. It's for your shoulders. That's the major focus. Your hands placed behind your glutes. And they are not straight, they're like this. So your elbows are bent, right? This way. You go up, come down. Go up, come down. And as you're going up and coming down, ensure that your elbows are moving, straightened, bent. If they're not moving that way, then you probably want to check your form again to ensure that you're doing it right. If you have, this steps they use at the gym, if you have that one, that's the perfect one for this particular exercise. But if you do not have that one, if you have a chair that's as low as that level of the step, then you can actually use that as well, or a bench, but don't use something too high. This is a Superman lift. It works for your back. It literally works for the whole of your body because you're raising your hands and your legs simultaneously. One is not going forward before the other. This is the lateral raise. Go sideways, bring your hands down, up, down. If you do not have the dumbbells, then you can just go like this. Suspend a little, maybe for 2 seconds, and then bring down your hands. Go up again, bring down your hands. Raise your hands to your shoulder level, and bring your hands down. And if, peradventure, you have just one dumbbell, then you can do one arm per time. Go 1, 2, shoulder level, remember. You do 10 of this, then you come back here, you do 10 of this again, like this, right, till you're done with your 3 sets. That's it for the lateral raise. Okay, we're done.